Good morning, children. Welcome to Stella's Sweet Recipes. I'm Miss Elizabeth. Today I bring you a delicious breakfast. We are going to make French toast. Let me show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients we need to make our French toast. We need 1 egg beaten, a little of milk, more or less 80 milliliters, a pinch of cinnamon, 2 or 3 toasts, and margarine. Then when we have them cooked, when they are already finished, we can decorate them and pour over them some syrup, honey, or even whipped cream. Let's get started. I have all my ingredients here, and as I said, the first thing we're going to do is beat our egg. I am going to beat my egg and I'll be back with you when I have it ready. Now that I have my egg beaten, I am going to pour the milk. I'm going to pour like 80 milliliters of milk so that I can make 3 toast. I'm also going to add a pinch of cinnamon, like a teaspoon of these for the coffee, and I am going to mix it and I'll be back with you. Okay, now that I have my egg beaten and mixed with milk and cinnamon, we are going to put some butter over the griddle plate, and we are going to wait till it is melted. Now it's very hot, so I'm going to place it in medium temperature, okay? So now that we're ready, I am going to take my toast, dunk it in the milk, and turn it over so that both sides soak, okay? So this is going to be one side and the other side, and we are going to place our toast on the grilled plate. We're going to repeat with the other 2 pieces of bread, the 2 other slices of bread. Flip it over so that they get sunk in the egg and milk mixture, and place it on the grill plate. And one more. The same. We are going to place it in the griddle. Now we are going to wait for like 2 or 3 minutes until they are cooked on one side, and then we will flip them over. The idea is that they turn golden brown on both sides. I have already turned one, and I wanted to show you. This is what I mean when I say light brown. So I'm gonna turn the other toast as well. See, they're coming out light brown. And again, we are going to wait until they are done on both sides. And now, after another couple of minutes, they are done on the other side, and we can place them in a dish and we can have them with maple syrup, honey. You can even pour whipped cream, whatever you like. So now, I hope you like the recipe and that you enjoy it with your family. And remember, if you try it, if you make the recipe, don't forget to send your pictures to comunicacion@estelamariscolegio.com. See you on the next video class. Bye!